Stop the panic. Stop that panic. Hi. You have seen a graph now. You are shivering. Stop it. Consider the ordered pairs of points in the table below and show the information on a Cartesian plane. Here we have the table of values. The values of x ranging from -2 up to 2, and the values of y ranging from -3 up to 5. Now we have this. This is called Cartesian plane. In other words, we call it graph sheet. Okay, now here we are going to plot this graph. The values of x, that is x-axis, and also y-axis. So here we are going to have the y-axis. Here we have -3. This is -3. And this one -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. If you have space, you can continue with other numbers. All right, so since we have this on the y-axis, then let us also have that of x-axis. We have this, since here is 0, that is the origin. We have this as -1. So we have this as our y-axis, having the arrows up and down, showing that the numbers continue. Then this place where we have our 0 is where we now have the x-axis. We have the x-axis like this. So I have it as -1, and here will be -2, and if we continue we have -3, and so on. Then in this place we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So let us now go ahead to plot this point. X is -2 and y is -3. Look at this. X is -2. Where do we have -2 on the x-axis? On the x-axis we have -2 here, and y is -3. So we're going to trace this down to where we have -3. X-axis must come first before the y-axis. So this is -2 and this is -3. So we'll mark a point here. Then next one is -1 and -1. X is -1 and y is also -1. So we'll have it where they meet together. This is the point where they meet together. The next is 0 and 1. This is 0 and this is 1. Look at it, +1. So 0 and 1. We'll have the point here. Next is 1 and 3. 1 on the x-axis, 3 on the y-axis. So the two of them meet here. And lastly, 2 and 5. 2 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. So the two of them meets here. Now, having plotted all the graphs, all the points rather, the next thing to do now is to join it in order to get our graph. So let's go ahead. Please, while you are joining, make use of a ruler, a straight ruler, making sure that your pencil falls inside of this point, all these points. Please, they shouldn't go out of them, all these points. So let us go ahead and join. Join the points. That's very good. This is what we have as the graph from this table of value. I believe that you learned this very well. And having done that, stop deceiving, stop panicking. I better go ahead and share this to your friends so that they will also join you to learn. Go now. Bye-bye.